Hello, Miss. Is my short conversation. Hi. Hello. How are you today? I'm good. Thanks you. And you? I'm happy. What did you do on your last holiday? I cooked with my friends. I danced salsa. I played soccer. I used my phone and talked with my family. And you? I called my best friends. I climbed a small hill. I studied English. I visited my grandparents. Wow, that's fantastic. I like your holiday. Your holiday was awesome too. Goodbye. See you later.